Yeah.
You feel like you might die, but it's just like you're okay with it.
Yeah.
You're just like, oh my god, like I think I'm gonna actually, like my heart's just gonna like stop.
Yeah.
Like blow up or something.
Yeah. Are you feeling that right now?
No.
Would you have before?
Yeah.
When?
I feel it kind of beating a little faster, but it's not like
hardcore?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think you're gonna die, but you're just like, dude, it's okay if I die. And I'm just like, I'm really fucking happy right now. If I die, it's a good way to go out. You know, you can be this full of Terrence McKenna, get LSD through your system so much that you die because you actually overdose on it because you take so much acid. You just go out like
so fucking happy.
Dude, it's so euphoric dying on acid to be like being reborn. Dude.
Yeah.
Maybe you actually would go somewhere if that happened.
Yeah.
Like
you just like fucking go to like actual.
Only the people who've done like serious psychedelics go to like the.
You're just like dead, but you're still like in La La Land. Just floating around like
you're high, just like 24/7.
Like you're just dead, but you're still you're all over the fucking globe. You don't know where the fuck you are. A couple of unicorns come around.
What?
Like an enchanted fruited tree where you just go and grab a banana off. Dude, that'd be awesome. Someone told me today, the house I was at earlier, never to lick the baggies. Because one time there was this lady, she was licking the baggie, and then the dude's like, dude, I just had that up my butt.
What?
Yeah. So I'm starting to cut back on licking my baggies that aren't new. She got an old baggie and she licks it, and her drug dealer's like, dude, that's just been up my butthole.
What the hell?
Yeah. Imagine that.
That's really fucking gross.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said.
Oh, I've never gotten, like,
yeah.
I don't think I've ever licked the baggie, but I don't get that baggies.
I didn't get to fresh baggies. And dried shit out. I think the song I heard for the first time with you, Ryan,
over at Brett's house?
And Brett, yeah.
I think Colton was there too.
Yeah, Colton was too.
No, like running outside and sliding on the ice.
Yeah.
Like we'd come inside and you were like downloading music.
Yeah.
We'd go back outside and like slide on the ice. We made some corn and burgers like on the grill. Middle of winter. So fucking cool.
Yeah.
Making weed.
Yeah, I know.
It was so fun.
Hell yeah.